Welcome to Getting Started with Arduino, a beginner's guide. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of Arduino and start creating your own projects? If so, this video is for you. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the basics of Arduino, help you understand its capabilities, and guide you step by step in creating your first project. So let's get started. Arduino, the basics. What is Arduino? Before we jump into the practical side, let's understand what Arduino actually is. Arduino is an open-source microcontroller platform that allows you to build a variety of electronic projects. It consists of both physical hardware, such as a microcontroller board, and a development environment, which is used to write and upload code to the board. Why choose Arduino? Arduino is an excellent choice for beginners due to its simplicity and versatility. It offers an easy-to-understand programming language, a vast online community, and countless resources to help you along the way. Whether you're interested in robotics, home automation, or simply tinkering with electronics, Arduino has you covered. Key components of Arduino. Arduino boards consist of several key components, including the microcontroller, which acts as the brain, input and output pins allowing you to connect various sensors and actuators. Additionally, you can attach modules and shields to extend its functionality and capabilities. Getting started with Arduino. Setting up your Arduino. To begin your Arduino journey, you first need to set up your Arduino board and software. Start by connecting your Arduino board to your computer using a USB cable. Then, download and install the Arduino IDE, Integrated Development Environment, from the official Arduino website. Once the software is installed, open it up and we're ready to go. To begin your Arduino journey, you first need to set up your Arduino board and software. Start by connecting your Arduino board to your computer using a USB cable. Then, download and install the Arduino IDE, Integrated Development Environment, from the official Arduino website. Once the software is installed, open it up and we're ready to go. Your first Arduino sketch. In Arduino, a sketch is the term used for a program. It consists of two essential parts, the setup function, which runs once when the board starts up, and the loop function, which runs repeatedly. By writing code in these functions, you can control the behavior of your project. In this tutorial, we'll start with a simple LED blinking example to get you familiar with the programming syntax and how to upload your sketch. Uploading your sketch. After writing your Arduino sketch, it's time to upload it to the board. Simply click the upload button in the Arduino IDE, and the code will be compiled and transferred to the connected Arduino board. You'll see the built-in LED start blinking according to the sketch. Congrats! You've just successfully uploaded your first program to Arduino. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Feel free to leave comments and ask questions.